our cat, they are very good friends. They are very good friends, really. That's what they said, like they are always fighting each other. But no, our cat and dog has a, they have a good they are good friends. So that's what happened to the our animals here, our pet animals here. Oh, that's so unfortunate to have your dog was bit by the snake. Oh my goodness. Just like I don't like that. Mm. So hopefully your weekend guys is hopefully your weekend is okay. So ayan, one last 5 minutes and I'll be finishing my live today. Yeah, this is I'm watching my program here. It's Showtime. So this is yung aming pinapanood guys ay Showtime. So ano lang ako nag-playback lang ako ba yesterday. This is Saturday. So this is a Thursday program. I'm watching that all the time. See? There you are. Gonna watch. Gonna watch guys. Mm. 'Di ba? The nice na 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 na. TFC, yeah. 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 Tagalog, our own language. Yeah, yeah, nice. Yeah. Gonna watch? I have to do my hula hoop, maybe, no? Yeah, I have to do my hula hoop. I have to do my hula hoop here. Hula hoop muna, hula hoop ako. Abang nagwa-watch po. I'm doing my... Kasi pagka nag-duty naman ako, guys, hindi naman ako nakapag-hula hoop. Kaya mag-hula hoop muna ako. Oh, I have my hula hoop here. Oh, di ba? Eka. Bebe, dito ka muna. Nice. Oh, yeah. Doing the exercise. Hula hooping. Yeah, here. Wait a minute, ha. Hindi na ako nakapag-hula hoop pala. Yeah. Ano ko lang tong aking, baka mag-ano na to siya. Wait a bit. Yan. Yeah, I'm doing my hula hoop here. Ay, sorry, baby. Come here, baby. Akyat ka. Iakyat ko lang tong bebe, ha? Kasi, oh, this is my baby. Hello. Hello, everybody.